Hi, hello friends. I'm back again. This is Jolene, and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share my subscription boxes, lots of makeup, skincare items. I love Temu hauls. I love other shopping hauls, TJ Maxx, and other discount stores like that. I love to find a good bargain. And anyway, so that's a little bit about me. I would love it if you would subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. All those things help my channel. If you prefer to do that, that would be great. And so let's get to today's video. I am sharing. I just got done filming an ALLURE beauty box, which I said is my favorite skincare box. It's fabulous, but today I'm sharing my favorite makeup subscription, and it's both it's EyeScream Beauty, and I get both the bag and the box, and I am like loving this subscription. They've been giving such fun things. A little bit about EyeScream Beauty or EyeScream, the boxes. They pretty much carry mostly just makeup. Sometimes they'll put a skincare in, but if you want makeup and want to try new makeup, this is great. They like to, it's a lot of like indie brands that they focus on, and I don't know what it is, but they have it down. Like they know how to, they give you a little card. It's not anything expensive. It's just a little paper card that tells what's in the box. But I like that because they don't put a lot of money into this, where they can put their money into other things that mean more. So I don't know. They just coordinate things well in their boxes. So I love that. I'm going to first share the glam bag, which I'll be honest with you, it's about the same size as the box. Like, no kidding. And this one has 3 items in it. I believe it's $15 a month. I should have done I can't remember. I get so confused with other boxes. But I'm going to share what we have in here. So we have 3 items. They always have a palette. Let's show the palette first. This is a Pink Rose palette, and it's by Oaklawn, and this palette is valued at $20. And look at this. It's beautiful. I like that they have some two-tone colors in here. This one looks really interesting. It's kind of a wet. Now it looks silver, but it's got rose. Kind of goes on light. Let's see. Let's try this one. This one. And this one. So there's those 3. Now, I should have had something to wipe my hands off on. I think I'm going to go in and try some of the pink ones too. You know, these are right along my lines. I love neutrals and pinks. And so, let's get this off my fingers. Let's try 3 more. So, you know what? I'm just going to go down the this side right here and try those 3 on the end. So there's that one, and that one. Oops, that one's a little shiny a little bit. Kind of stuck my finger too much in it. Okay. Oh, those are so pretty. Wait, here, if I can get this. Can you see that? I don't think they're showing up as good. on the camera as they are here, but those are beautiful. So pink rose palette, that's the first thing in my glam bag, and I'm gonna wipe this off. Okay, so the next thing I have in here is, this is called it's a Paris Tools round buffer brush, and it is valued at $9. I like it because it's dense, firm, so I actually really like this brush. So there's that Paris Tools brush. Now the last item in here, these a lot of times they will give some kind of a lip product, but this is Bella Pierre Lip Essentials Antique Pink. You know, I'm really excited about this. I've been looking for a pink color. Like, I don't really have a lot of pinks. I have a lot of nudes, neutrals, kind of burgundy, darker ones, but not a lot of pink. So this is a lip palette, and this is actually valued at $50, which is pretty amazing, you guys, when you only spend like $15 for the bag. So 15 and 20, 35, $44 for, you get $44 for 15. Good quality products. I'm excited about this. Let me see. I just messed up the opening of it, but oh, I don't care. I'll just open it. See if I can get to it so we can sample one of these. Okay, it's got, oh, I'm loving this. This color looks great. So it's got the lip liner. It's got the liquid lip. It's got a lipstick. And it's got, I don't know if this is a gloss or what, but look at that color. This one is just kind of a balm or gloss. I'm getting it in my nails. I can't really reach in there, but I like it. So let me try here. I'm going to just do this. I'm going to try this is the, okay, well, the tip broke off. That's not very fun. And I don't think, it doesn't pull up. I don't know how you get it. I know there's more in there. Okay, well, we kind of bombed out with the liner. Okay, there's that. And here's the lipstick. So the darker one's a lipstick, the lighter one's a lip. It's more like a lip gloss, liquid lip. So I will use these. I know I'll use them. I'm a little disappointed. I'm going to have to figure out the liner. I might just have to sharpen it, and I don't have a sharpener to do that right now. But anyway, still happy with that. So I think I do have time to share the box also in this video. EyeScream Beauty Box. I already showed you the card. It's cute. Their boxes are really cute. And the EyeScream is EYESSCREAM. So they take a play on ice cream with eyes, because they do give so many palettes. You always get a palette in the bag. If you order the bag, you always get a palette in the box. This box has two. Let's see. You can pay $25 a box. I think I do have a referral code down below, so you can get a discount on your first box. You can also get a discount if you buy, like I bought a year for this, and it was a lot cheaper. I think it came out to $20 to $22 a box. So sometimes you save money by doing that. So let's get into this. So the theme this month was Independent Queen. So we're all little independent queens here. And the first item is from Delancey, and this is a 4-color, 4-pan palette, and it's multi-chrome, which I love. And these colors, I already played with a little bit. I don't have it on today, but I did play with it. Let's see if I can get it open here. Okay, so there's that. I don't know how well you can see in the screen, but these colors really, these colors, they're kind of iridescent, so they change colors as you use them. I'm going to sample these for you. 1, 2, 3. Oops. That one was kind of light. I think I might have got some on my dress here, but, and then 4. And look at those. Look at those. They look different colors as you play them. Now the first one is kind of a lighter color, like a white or whatever, but it kind of looks, it's got like yellow gold in it. The second pink color can change into kind of purpley. The third color is kind of a purple, but it also has iridescence. And then the last one, there they are. I don't know how well, once again, you see them. They're very pretty. So this palette was valued at $25. So it's kind of, for a foreshadow palette, not bad. And the next thing I've got is another palette. I'm just going to go ahead and show you the other palette. This is the Ethereal palette by, who's this by? Okalan. The same brand that in the palette that was in the bag. And it's a similar palette. It's got the same kind of different two tones and whatnot. It's really pretty. I think I'm gonna have to do some of these too. So I'm gonna do a pink, and I'm gonna do the darker one down here, and then I'm gonna do, let's do, I think this one next to this down here is interesting. It's like a two-tone, but it's a brown, bronzy brown. And let's do a gold. Actually, there's another two-tone right here that's kind of golden. So these are kind of iridescent-y colors too. Let's see. There's the gold, the bronzy color, the darker pink, and the lighter pink. Look at that. This is awkward. Okay, so very pretty. So that palette, I'm loving that palette too. I'm definitely going to get use out of these palettes. I love palettes. Palettes are just fabulous, especially when they carry my story, which these are all carrying my story. Okay, so this counts as one item. You get 5 items in the box. Let me see, or maybe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do, this counts as one item, and but it's 2 liquid dual chrome eyeshadows by Chantico, and these are valued at $35, $38. I think that's maybe for both of them. So the colors I got are once again my colors. This first one's kind of a pinky mauve rose color, and okay, this broke off the lid. I already played with this one, so I don't know why now it's not working. Okay, so it kind of looks like a light purple pink. I don't know if you can see that. This one's a darker, kind of the same shade, just a darker one. And it looks more like a darker pink. These do look buildable. So I'm going to do this one. Loving it though, loving the look. So there's that. Okay. The fourth item I have in here, it's an ice cream color, and this says Queen on it. It's actually, no, it's QVEEN, whatever that means. It's by something studio, Rose Studios or something. The color is ice cream. This feels really good quality. It's got a cover on it, and there's the highlight. There you go, if you can see that highlight there. So excited about that. Highlighters are fun. And last but not least, the lip product in here is from Ofra Cosmetics, but not only that, it's the Hot Mess Mama. You guys, are you familiar with Hot Mess Mama? I just did a video with her palettes that she teamed up with Ofra and did a palette and a lip kit. And this is from her lip kit. It's beautiful color. Anyway, you might want to go check out that video. So Hot Miss Mama is wonderful. She's really fun to watch. She does lots of makeup videos and whatnot. I think she has 2 or 3 channels, but anyway, check her out because she's great. The thing I like about this lippy product, and I'm going to put it right here, you can also use it as a blush, which I have done. In my video, I used it as a blush and a lip product. There's the color right here. So anyway, that's exciting. So those are the 5 items in there. Okay, so it's valued, it's close to $120 value for what I paid $20. So great value, great products, fun products. I am really enjoying EyeScream Beauty. I've only been doing them, I think this might be my 3rd box I got from them, but they're wonderful. So thank you for being here. This video turned out to be a little longer than I like, but thank you. I appreciate you supporting me, and I will see y'all in the next one. Okay, bye-bye, friends.